My name is Sandhya and I am here to speak about our English lecturer Ms. Vanitha ma'am, who has been completing 20 years successfully in a teaching career. I met her during my PU course. She is one such person who spreads light of knowledge, love and divinity all around her. She has been shaping and influencing the students' life for the past 20 years. Her contribution towards the education and society has been phenomenal. She has been one of the most beloved and admired teacher among the students. Her goodness, perfection in teaching, creativity, resourcefulness and multitasking abilities have been unique and unmatched. I feel proud that I have been fortunate to learn from her in so many ways. I, on behalf of all students, would like to wish her all the health, happiness and many years of fruitfulness and enlightening service to the people. People like her are the beauty of this world. Ma'am, thank you for spreading the light.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಅನುಷಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ VCA ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವಿನಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನನಗೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PU ಏನೇನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUದಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Thank you for spreading the light. Now let's listen to what her old students speak about her.
To start, it's been 10 years I know you, Vinoma, and it's been a wonderful journey. You are a great mentor and teacher and a friend. And I don't consider you not only that, I also consider you as my mom. And that's why I call you Vinoma. And our journey till now, memorable moments is I still carry the Coco moment, which everyone laugh at it till now, right? It's just very funny and I still carry it. And our trips and our street food, roadside lutis and multiple car drives and all those things, those are all precious moments which will not come back. Maybe we'll create new, but those are still like precious moments. And congratulations for your 20 years of teaching career, and keep up the good work, keep rocking, and your student support will be always there for you and will all be there for you. And be positive and continue the same job, and hopefully we'll celebrate your Silver Jubilee soon. Bye bye.
Congrats on completing 20 years of your journey in the teaching field. I'm very proud to be your student. You have taught me for at least 4 years, and it's been like 15 years. I'm in still touch with you because the way of your teaching was very unique. That is what made you different. You used to have trust on the students. You used to be very friendly with them and used to guide them as well. So you have guided me whenever I need. Thank you for that. I hope you complete many more milestones in your journey and share much more knowledge to the students. All the very best for that, and thank you for this opportunity.
Hi Vinita ma'am, how are you? I just hope you're doing great. I'm excited to know that you have completed 20 years in the teaching field. As a teacher, you were always vibrant, full of energetic, full of life, and it was always amazing to attend your classes. And as a person, you are just a great, strong and bold person. I'm just lucky to be your student. Whatever you do in life, just be successful ma'am. Wherever you go, just stay blessed. And whenever I'm in need of your help, I know you will always be there for me. Thank you so much for everything, and I love you ma'am.
Hello Nita ma'am, how are you? I hope you're doing well and safe in this pandemic, and I feel so overwhelmed to talk about you this morning. And I'm sure there are no words to express how good you are, how much you mean to us. So words are not just sufficient enough. I'm sure you would have made a mark in every student's life, and how inspiring and how good you created the bond with students. And I feel so happy and blessed that I've met a person like you, and I will always cherish every moment spent with you in life. There's a quote which I would like to share, which I feel is just apt for you. So the quote goes like this. It says that she conquered her demons and wore her scars like wings. Yes, I think that is really suitable for you, and because no matter what you have gone through in life and how things are in your way, but you've always conquered the situations, and today you've been wearing your wings high and soaring high in the sky, and you're a living example to all of your students, and the special bond will always remain with us. No matter how far we are, distance will not matter at all, but we are always grateful to you for whatever you have done and for whatever you have taught us. I'm sure you are a big motivator and a real inspiration to many out there, and you will always be blessed, and God's blessings will always be there for you, and we're always there to support and help you at any time. Thank you so much, ma'am. I have no other words to say, but we love you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, ma'am. You are the best teacher that I have seen. Teaching ಯಾವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ನ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರು. ನೈಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ರು ನೀವು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಬೇಡ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು, M.Com ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, M.Com ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಓದಲಿ ಅವಳು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಳು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಈ ಥರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳೋರು, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳೋದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಏನೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಜೊತೇಲಿ ನಿಂತು ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋರು ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೈ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ thank you, ma'am.
Teachers are said to be as the greatest people and the greatest profession in the world. Ma'am, to me, you are not only a teacher but also a friend and the supporter who is always beside me. Ma'am, the day I met you in Sir M.V. College, in first PUC or second PUC, the way you taught me the lessons was so enthusiastic. I still remember the first day how you taught the lessons. It have been imprinted in my heart and will stay forever. You were different among all. You never taught the lessons of English, but also you taught the life lessons today, which I am able to stand out in a crowd and able to speak flawlessly in a fluent English. It's all because of your foundation which you have provided me. The foundation which you have laid is so strong that today I am able to pursue my dream career, Master MA in English. Ma'am, to me, you are also the candle of my life who consumes itself and provides the light to the rest of the place around it. Yes, ma'am. Till today you have been a good supporter and a good friend in my life. Always when I call you or I drop a message to you, you always responded to me quickly and give me the best solution among to me. You are always a good friend and a good supporter to me. Thank you, ma'am, for all these beautiful things that you have been provided to me in my life. This is your student Kasturi signing off, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Lots of love. Mwah! Thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
Hope so. Everything is well. It's a great pleasure to talk about you, ma'am. I had a great experience with you. More than a lecturer, you was best friend for us. You guided us, you inspired us, you motivated us, you encouraged us. More than the lessons, you taught us many things, ma'am. And you are such an example for us, such an inspiring woman for us. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am. It was a great time with you. I had many memories with you. Thank you so much for each and everything, for the lessons. Thank you so much and lots of love to you, ma'am.
I am Aishwarya from 3rd year BCom. How are you, ma'am? I got a nice opportunity to share a few things about you, ma'am, which was inspired for me. You have taught us many valuable lessons, which was now also useful for me. You have helped me in many arranging a program which was conducted in our college. You are supporting in each and every program, ma'am. So now also we are missing your classes, ma'am. All the best for your future, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. I'm so happy and blessed that you're my teacher. I enjoyed each and every lesson that you have taught me. It might be personal or professional. As my role model, you inspired me to dream, to work and to reach. With your kindness, you get my attention. Every day, you are planting a seed of curiosity and motivation to know and to grow and succeed. You help me to fulfill my potential. I'm thankful for all that you have done, and I admire you each and every day. And I just want to say that as a teacher, you're the number one. And thanks for all the support and guidance that you have given me so far. That's why I'm here. You will always be remembered, and love you lots, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Happy 20 years of service as a teacher. I wish you the best in life. Thank you for enlightening all our life. Stay blessed, stay safe.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೈನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ವಿನೂತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವಿ.ಸಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಬೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧೈರ್ಯ, ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್, ಆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚಿಂಗಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. Love you, ma'am. We miss you a lot.
Ma'am, lot, because she's very friendly to me, and also not only with me, she's very friendly with everyone. Still, sometimes when I get bored, when I really miss her, when I love her, I always call her and speak. Ma'am, we can't forget the way you really enjoyed with us, and we might be our best batch to you, and you're very kind to us. We will miss you, ma'am. Love you, Lord. Take care.
Ma'am, love you. Firstly, congratulations for completing 20 successful years as a teacher. You have always been inspiring, and yes, I'm one who is inspired by you. You are the strongest women I've seen, and hope that God blesses you with lots of love, because you have to keep teaching lots of people and inspiring lots of them. And stay safe, stay healthy. Hope we meet very soon after this lockdown. As usual, I love you the Lord and miss you too, Vinu.
I'm Selvi. I'm so happy and proudly to speak about Vinita ma'am on this video. She was in a bold character. She was an inspiration of many of the students, and ma'am journey is full of astonishing in teaching field. Last but not the least, I can tell proudly I am a Vinita ma'am student. Thanks for giving this opportunity.
Hi ma'am, I'm Sandhya. I hope you are doing well. As you have completed successfully 20 years in teaching field, we all wish you to be everlasting in teaching and cherish us and the upcoming students with the path of knowledge. Thank you for your grace and guidance till today.
Hi ma'am, congratulations that you have completed 20 years in teaching field. Wishing you joy and happiness. You are an amazing teacher, and you only deserve the best teacher. Teach from the heart, not from the book. And thank you so much being a wonderful teacher, and we can only feel grateful for having a wonderful teacher like you. And do continue this for our upcoming juniors, and I wishing you very all the best for your wonderful career. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Hi ma'am, how are you? I hope you're fine ma'am. Ma'am, the reason behind this video is I wish to say few words regarding you ma'am. Ma'am, I really like you ma'am, but I never exposed it and I'm very scared about you ma'am. That's the reason. It's a 1% reason because why I'm silent in the class. Then you're very straightforward and you're most encouraging ma'am, and your scoldings makes us more strong to learn our mistakes and do everything better and best.
Welcome ma'am, this is Abhishek. Hope you're doing good. We're so happy and proud to know that you're completing 20th year in teaching field with lots of experience. Students, we are so blessed to have you as a teacher. Keep inspiring us and upcoming students too ma'am. Lots of love. Congratulations ma'am.
Hi ma'am, this is Sangeeta. First of all, congratulations. And ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ 20 years of experience in teaching field. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶರತ್ ಅಂತ. ವಿನುತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತರೋದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಟೀಚರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾತ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. Thank you ma'am.
Hi ma'am, Roshan here. I'm happy to know that you are completing your 20th year in teaching profession. Thank you for everything you have done to us ma'am. We are grateful for that. Thank you ma'am, we love you the most ma'am.
Hope you are fine. So hardly congratulations for completing 20 years in teaching field, because ಅದಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ 20 years ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಆಗಿನೇ ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಂಕರೇಜ್, ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್, ಬೈ, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್.
ಅವರು ಹೋಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಲಿ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ 20 years ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 20 years ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಕಲಿತು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಹಿಟ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಟ್ಲರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೋಪ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಜನ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬಳು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವುಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಭಯ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಭಯ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೌರವ ತುಂಬ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆದರೆ ಆ ನಾಟಕ ರಾಣಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ದು ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೀವು ಬೈತಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೂಪಿಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದು, ಆ ಬೈಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Hi ma'am. First I like to congrats for completing 20 years in teaching field. Really I am so happy successfully you have completed 20 years in teaching field. The way you are teaching, that's awesome. You are the best teacher in my life. The best teachers are teach from the heart, not from the book. Only we say ma'am deserve the best. Really ma'am, you are inspired me, you are motivated me, you taught me the lessons of life. For that I am heartily thankful ma'am. Thank you so much for being wonderful teacher for us. Thank you so much, love you lot, missing you ma'am. Stay home, stay safe, bye.
Yes, teaching ಆನ್ವರ್ಸರಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಇಂಥ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು.
ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ದೇವತೆ ನೀವು, ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಿನಗಳು ಪದಗಳು ಸಾಲೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೈ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಓದೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನಕಿನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲವ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲವ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು 20th ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವೀಸನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಠ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪುಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆದರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕ್ದಿರ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪಾಠ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿನ್ನೂ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೈತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಕಪ್ಪಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಟಕ ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Good evening, ma'am. Hope you're well. Your teachings are all fresh in my mind. I still remember how you taught us, how you explained the lessons, narrated the poem. You made it easy for us to understand, no matter how difficult it was to understand, or the poems, the wording especially in the poem, used in the poem. No matter how difficult it was to understand, you made it quite easy by explaining both in English and Kannada. I still remember the first class of yours giving me a chance to face the crowd and explaining. You gave me an opportunity to explain the lesson which was taken from Panchatantra. I still remember the lesson, I still remember the story. Rather, that was the first class of yours. I remember how you supported me as the year passed. And now the teachings are all fresh in my mind. The memories that we spent with you as a student and you as our mentor. We cannot forget how you taught us, you supported us. And thank you for trusting in me, believing me, supporting me at all times. And what else to say, ma'am? You were the best in my PU college. Those 2 years are unforgettable. No doubt you are the best teacher. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for being such a wonderful teacher for us, we say, ma'am. You have taught lots of things that definitely lead us a good future. And thank you for inspiring us, motivating us. The way of your teachings, attitude, style, that straightforwardness, many more to tell about you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Love you. We miss you a lot. Meet up soon, ma'am.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate for completing 20 years in teaching field. It's not an easy task for completing so many years, and I would tell that you spent every ounce of your energy to make me what I am. You motivated me, you encouraged me, you taught me what the life is, and you never let me down in any of the situations. I could remember each and every moments in our PU life, which changed me a lot. What I was in my school days was different from my PU days, because you taught me the golden rule in life that never and ever give up for any of the reasons. If there is any mistake in you, at the time only you should bend your head. That is what I learned from you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. You are one of the best teacher in my life, not only in my life but also in all your students' life. All your students' wishes only one thing is that the smile on your face should always remain there. May God bless you with good health, wealth, and always be happy. That is what we all wishes you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Miss you a lot.
Hope you're doing really great.
Hearty congratulations first of all on completing 20 years in the teaching field, and I am so happy to be part of this journey and really proud to be your student. There is only one word to describe you, mother. You are always being there supporting your kids and always encouraging your kids to do more. We pray for your good health and happiness, many more years to go in teaching, and I strongly believe the future students would also feel lucky the same way. And I really miss the college days, and I really miss you very much, ma, and I will love you to the infinite. Thank you, ma. Take care.
ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 20 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೀವನನ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವಳ ಜೀವನ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಅವಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಈ ಕಲಿಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೀಗೆ 100 ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಸೊ 100 ವರ್ಷವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಯುಷ್ಯು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ದೇವರು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವಿ ಲವ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.